Hi everyone, welcome back to the latest episode of PixelStudio's Now I Know, and today I'll be presenting to you Topaz Video AI. Topaz Video AI has the ability to turn existing footages that are in HD resolution or lower to 4K or even 8K versions. So all you need to do is to just drag your desired footage into the application. It's downloadable, by the way. And select the exact effect that you want, and it'll get to work. You can save it as according to what you want. For example, you want 4K resolution or you want 8K resolution. And not only do you have the power to upscale existing videos that are in smaller resolutions, you can also make use of Topaz Video AI for other results, such as recovering grainy or low quality footage. I see this footage of the flyover over Hong Kong. And then you can get rid of interlacing issues. Or you can even breathe new life into old videos from years ago, or even upscale cartoons, all through the power of Topaz AI's de-interlacing and upscaling abilities. So Topaz Video AI can also make use of AI-powered motion interpolation to convert a footage from a lower frame rate to a higher frame rate, thereby achieving silky smooth results at the end. So in the same vein, it can also produce satisfying slow motion footage by way of motion interpolation. Okay, let's talk about cost. When it comes to cost, Topaz Video AI has a one-time charge of USD 299, and it's yours to use forever. Includes up to 2 simultaneous users across both Mac and Windows OSs. So if you have a lot of video footage that needs TLC or needs improving, you might want to consider this one.